Hello everyone, KWCHAJAK. My name is HAMBAI DEBBARMA. I'm a student of Bukowinian State Medical University, currently pursuing my MBBS degree in third year. And I'm right now stuck in Ukraine. As you all know, that Ukraine is currently in an ongoing conflict with Russia, and we have been stuck here since the conflict started on 24th of February this month. And fortunately, the government of India has started the evacuation process for us through the Romania. We have to cross the land border to Romania, as you all know, because the airspace of Ukraine has been suspended indefinitely for the time being, and right now we are waiting to get evacuated from our university from Chernivtsi in western Ukraine. And we hope that our names come up, because the names, first of all, yesterday 480 students have been selected and they have reached Romania, and we are waiting for our turn. So I just want to appeal to the state government of Tripura and other relevant authorities to please help us in this regard, so that we get evacuated from here as soon as possible. And it's not just me, because other students from Tripura are also stuck there. Two of my friends who are girls, Bimnisha DEBBARMA and Jasmine DEBBARMA, they are stuck in Vinnytsia, which is in central Ukraine, and currently they are in bomb shelters, in bunkers, and I can't reach them. So it's really terrifying to think of it, and they're really in need of help, me as well. So we don't know when our names will come. We are just hoping that our names come up and we get evacuated as soon as possible. And that's it. Hope everything goes well. Thank you.